Hello my beautiful butterflies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do Bantu knots in my hair. So first off, I'm gonna start off with my water. As you all know, I love to start off with my water to keep my hair hydrated and moisture. And then I'm gonna go in with my Creme of Nature sheen. Yep, I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna spray it in my hair, and then I'm just gonna rub it in. Then I'm gonna use my Cantu leave-in conditioner, shea butter. I love the smell of that one. I love Cantu so much. There you go. If you don't know what Cantu is, that's what I'm talking about. So what I'm gonna do is just rub it on my hair. I already did actually, so I'm combing it out, and now I'm gonna do my twists. I know I have build-ups in my hair, but my wash day is coming up very soon. I'm gonna show you how I do that in the next video. So moving along, now I'm doing my Bantu knot. First I twist it out, and then I'm gonna just wrap it around from the root. So that's how you get the grip, so that it doesn't pull out very easily, that it stays put for hours. Now I'm sectioning my hair so I can get some more out easier. This is what I used to part it, the tail comb. That's what I used to part my hair. I don't know, for some reason it works better for me sometimes. So that's what I used to part my hair. And now I'm gonna catch it with some scoochie. That's what we call it here. If you guys know it for a different name, you can put it in the description below, in the comment below. I'm sorry. So what I'm gonna do is another Bantu knot. I'm just gonna speed up the video a little bit after this. So I'm just using a little bit more of the conditioner. My hair was so moisty, I didn't know why I do so much of that, but guess what? That's just me. You don't have to do the twist very perfect, as you can see, because you're just doing it for the curls. And this is what I do to achieve crimp curls. That's what we call it in Jamaica, crimp curls. After you put in the Bantu knots and you pull it out and you get the curls, we call it crimp. And growing up, we call Bantu knots in Jamaica, or where I'm from, we call it shiny bump. That's what we call it, shiny bump. So I'm shiny bumping my hair, or otherwise known as Bantu knot, so that I can achieve crimp curls. I don't know if you guys call it anything else where you're from, but what I know it as is crimp curls. If there's another name for it, you can put it down in the comment below. So I'm almost done. Some persons take a shorter time to get their hair done. Some persons will take longer time, but as for me, I'll just say I'm in between. I don't know, you guys. Maybe I'm in between. Maybe I'm slower, maybe I'm faster, but I don't put too much pressure on my hair because I have natural hair and it's very thin. It's not that thick. So some people can put it in for some hours to achieve these curls, but as for me, it's better if you sleep on it, like put it in and then you let it sleep in your hair for overnight, and then you pull it out in the morning. That's how you achieve better curls, and that's how the curls will stay longer. It stays longer than when you just put it in and let it stay for a couple of hours. Then the curl is going to leave your hair faster than when you sleep with the Bantu knots in your hair. So what I'm doing now is catching my hair halfway up. Yep, that's one of my favorites. I'm telling you, when I'm at home, or when I don't have that's just one of the styles that I like to put in. That's what I used to do when my hair was all chopped off. That's what I used to wear until my hair is at this level now. My hair is growing, you guys. It was so much shorter. So what I'm doing now here is putting in just a little bit of Creme of Nature sheen oil in my hair again, so that I can give it just a little bit of shininess. And now I'm gonna do my edge. I use the same Eco Gel. Is either I use that one or I use the olive oil, the argan oil, the olive oil, Eco Gel. That's what I use in my hair. I see some pink ones and some blue ones selling in yellow, but I've never tried them before. I've used the coconut one as well. I like the coconut one. I don't have a problem with the coconut one either, you guys. I like that one as well. So what I'm doing is my edges, and a girl is almost done. Do you like my edges? Do you like my edges? So that's it for this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.